Nandiko kongwera ko Mpumi cia KCSE bwetete na mbere Nkoro ne aritwa 690 barabethirite bakiota Nkoro ya C+ ne borete ni mwarimu munene wa KARUMO UTEA na kubera bakethira baita ya wirigiro Flora kanyano kubera abatonyekire CUKURU che Kyobundi kenda kubwithia kinya kozi rate na antu baingi bukirimithika na kulikithia
Kaitene kantu baitete na mbere kuwirirwa Mpumi cia KCSE kwina na bangi kithumba bauneki Nkoro na bangi kinyau kwa moyo nontu batawatire Mpumi cia iguru ituminende mwarimu munene wa CUKURU ya mathomo ya Kyobundi na UTEA Flora Kanyua awite kwina kanya kana bawitithia na mbere mathomo yao.
We have a chance for them na nito kuma mold maume maisiana sina skills ile irendekana thini wa our Kenyan society today. Na joke ni mere nwa wambiririe kuma craft diploma warikia diploma uka advance to a degree and proceed to the highest level of education through kogonwa tuge aukite KARUMO nituramuva the basics foundation avoteru ku advance athie ginya to the university level wakuria ngienda gukinya mathomo rimake.
Kanyua wite kosi cia Kyobundi ciena maunia maingi na ya mega nkurukie kosi ingi akiromba na babate akwe moyo.
Wega wa kosi cia TVET ni hands-on koguo nituvesaga mwana skills such that ne auma cukuru athie nginya andike he becomes an employer tondu once arugora ruta tuge ni mwana tuthomithitie ekite electrical and electronics ucio ni mwana wina wiring concepts koguo no avote kuandika andu wengi na engi meaning once twamuva the skill ne avotaga gutwika independent unlike maybe a theoretical course.
Nkurukie wite iba kuibangania kenda kwanira mutalene yomwero ya CBC
tondu ne turona rutha ino the education system has changed ne turevariria as TVET institutions through turavesana CBET courses in preparation of CBC nikyo nirauga previously tuetaga course taru ya diploma in the CBET we are calling it level 6 that means netura prepare aria maraukaru from the CBC magitokorereria ru makoretwe prepared tondu already that is what we are implementing kuma last September krathi kira twa sokiria in September asio on the mareka CBET courses and this is too much on the hands-on netura ensure that most of the training ira take place in the workshops nigo mwana akore aina that skill concept
na nonto bwetomike batire mwene miteni na mwerekerio CUKURU ya St Dorothy School Massimo Nteretia Mekindori na rombete thirikari utetheria kinya CUKURU tia mtu kiumba kuibangania nonto bwa CBC akiwa imweno iremerwe
batu tu tayari CBC tu tayari na itokomea kwina challenges nyingi mono lakini tu tayari kabisa ni onto bago face challenges hiyo kira tomba kuria ne ati thirikari ikiga intobire kugane onto bago tetheria CBC bakorirwa ni CUKURU cia private nonto kinyana baba e private no ana bathirikari na we private imwe tiumba kwethera chi na challenges nyingi mono onto bakwenda kuona intobio on the birabi kwendekane onto bwa CBC
na batungeria bakithomo ntere ibarombete aciari kureka kweyana ngwika itakaraba bati kwethira bae CUKURU bakio ntubibo kucia kithomo na nyuma bunene.
Some learners drop out of school and they end up working out loiter in the town, work as casual laborers. Others work also in Mira farm, which becomes a source of livelihood for some of the family.
Mono riria ana ba engage in economic activities teka kwithira kwibuja mono kinya baituga kana bae nguginja ciao lakini ndende ni karenji ya ciari nyathoka mwana nguginja mweka nyombe kwenderia kithomo kiawe kendomba gutwika muntu gutegemerwa nyumene.
The issue of early pregnancy of girls is also another problem which need to be addressed. Learners, some of them indulge in drugs, could be Mira and other things. We need to address this issue so that our learners will not drop out of school. In the case of early marriage can also the menace of early marriage can also be reduced.
Bareti yegitara graduation PP2 St Dorothy na misa yokenera Mpumi ndia se KCP mwaka muthiru na araba atongerete milioni ya Pakistan.
Ana 44 wetite good national schools na babange bajukua extra county schools ile anjeka kabisa. Wow. Tukale yabona arwe tuchokeria murungu nkatho na kinyago chokeria aciari nkatho na alimu na kinyana bongwa na ntuba kuthithia bubwega.
Kiripotera Weru TV kuma Tiania, Mbita wa Mukiri wa Mithika.